Welcome to the Great North Gardener. I grow in a Zone 5A climate, and this is your quick how-to for a no-dig bed using clean cardboard and roll-out hay. If you want less digging, fewer weeds and healthier soil, stick with me. No-dig keeps soil life intact, worms, fungi, microbes, your underground dream team. They build structure, hold moisture, and power growth, while you do less work. You will need plain brown cardboard, hay or straw, good compost or topsoil, a hose or watering can, stakes and string. Pull off all plastic tape and glossy labels. The cardboard must be clean. Pick a sunny patch. Aim for 6 or more hours of light. Mark the shape with stakes and string. 1 to 2 meters wide is perfect so you never step on the bed. Do not dig. Just trim everything right down. Grass and weeds as low as you can. Leave roots in place. We are protecting the soil structure. Lay cardboard directly on the ground inside your outline. Overlap each sheet by 10 to 15 centimeters. No gaps for weeds to sneak through. Soak it thoroughly. Think wet paper towel. Moisture pins it down and jump-starts decomposition, so soil life moves up to feast. Roll out hay or straw over the wet cardboard. Aim for 5 to 10 centimeters thick. It weighs the cardboard down and suppresses weeds. Use the cleanest stuff you can. Fewer weed seeds means less fuss later. Now add good compost or topsoil on top. 5 to 10 centimeters is plenty. Spread it evenly but keep it light and airy. Plant seedlings by making a small hole just deep enough for the root ball. Or sow seeds as per the packet. Depth and spacing matter. Finish with a light mulch on top to keep moisture in and temperatures steady. Water gently to settle everything and help seedlings dodge transplant shock. For the first month, check moisture every few days. Finger test to 2 inches. If it is dry, water. Any cheeky weeds pull out easily from the loose surface. Job done. From plain lawn or weedy patch to a thriving low-maintenance bed. Each autumn, just add a few centimeters of compost and refresh mulch. That is it. No dig is simple, gentle, and incredibly effective. The soil life does the heavy lifting. Give it a go this season, even one small bed. Cheers from the Great North Gardener.